Hello guys, welcome to day 162 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to continue yesterday's code that I have trying to write, which were about creating a mega menu. So if you don't know what is mega menu or what is the code that I am writing right now, you can check my video of day 161. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get continue the yesterday codes. As you can see, this is the code that I wrote yesterday. We have index, HTML page or document, and we created a button called purchase, and we have a style.css page. And let me check some comments from you guys which trying to give me hints of how to do this. I found one of the comments very useful. Here it is. Wow, man, that's a big goal to recreate mega menu like that. Thank you. It will take many days to complete because you only spend 30 minutes a day. I recommend you to break your big tasks down into smaller tasks so you don't feel it's too difficult. I'm going to do that for sure. To create something like this at your skill level. I saw you make draft layout in Paint. That is a good start. Let me show you. I think I removed it. I removed that draft. Okay, but I can create it again. Make a plan for each design task. For example, here are some ideas for each day. Most of the time we'll be spending on CSS. Day 1, create each HTML element for each category from the mega menu. Count how many HTML tags you need for each submenu. How many of list items you need inside each menu. Day 2. Once you get all HTML element in place, you will see the overall design of what it looks like. So I'm okay with this. Then you can spend time on styling in CSS. Try adjust your CSS code for one category and see what it looks like compared to original mega menu design. Let me check something. I had some files here in my desktop. I just removed all of them without checking that which file I did delete. So I think oh my god, I just found out that I deleted my design as well. By design, I mean yesterday we tried to find a menu from a site, and I just deleted. Let's check my yesterday video. Let me see which site that I found that. Hello guys, welcome to day 161. Okay, this is the site. So it's from webflow.com, right? So if I type webflow, okay, this is from history of my web browser. Okay, this is that thing we need. Design. Okay. So we wanted to create this, and let's get back to our comment. If your goal is to create only design but not functionality, maybe it can take less time if you know how to fix the CSS to make it looks like original. But if your goal is to create functionality too, it will take more time to create more HTML files or for each page, or write JS to add function for each element. I think maybe I'm going to add some functionality in order to make it more realistic, because it is a practice of getting better in creating menu, right? Okay, there are images that has overlay text on top of the image. This take more CSS skills to create. Try to Google and see how people do it. Overall, I might take you 3 days or more, depending on how much you want to make it looks like original design. Most of the time you will be spend on CSS, spacing and color and so on. There are more than one way to complete and how design your primary. Hope this message give you some ideas. Thank you. Of course, it gave me a good plan actually. So, as my friend says, we have to make it more simple. And if I want to make it more simple, first I have to say we have three section here. This is our button, and this is a div tag, right? And we have three more div tags, one here, and one here, right? So how can we create this? We have to use greet method. I really forgot how to use greet method, so let's Google this. Greet CSS. There's a lot of different shapes here. I'm looking for some shape that are looking like what I want. grid container. We have 3 sections, 3 columns. We can make it only one, and 2 more. Maybe we have to use this, right? Space around. Grid container, just apply control space around. I'm going to check my notes, which is in this computer. Grid section, display grid. So first we have to create a div with class container. Let's create that. I think we already have that. This is the div. We have to go in the guide. The notes that I have in my other computer is only about what is the syntax of using grid, but it's not mentioning how to create a menu, so I'm just refer to my notes to see the syntax. Let's say container. Display grid, and we have columns and rows. So for columns, we have to say grid template columns. How many columns we want to have? According to this picture, we have two columns, one here and one here, right? It's two columns, and the second columns, which is here, it have two sections as well. So we have to say, for the first columns, we want one fraction, and for the second columns, we want something like 2 fraction. For rows, we have to say grid rows, grid template rows. And the first one have no fraction. The second one have one fraction. So can I say 0 and 1 fraction? I'm not sure if I have to type this like 0 fraction. I have no examples here, but let's just write it for now, and if we got some errors, we will delete this or fix it. And between all of the fractions, we need a gap, right? So a gap of 10 pixels, for example. Pressing Ctrl S, checking out the site. Why do we lost the red div here? Okay. We have to copy and paste it here and remove this one. Pressing Ctrl S, checking our website. Okay, we have the red div coming back. Let's use inspect in order to see if we have divs. We still don't have the divs that we created. I mean, the columns and rows that we have created, we don't have them. Let me check where is the problem. Maybe the reason for not showing me any section here is we don't have any content on it. I think I have to add some div tag here as well. Let's create 3 div tag. These three div tags are this one, and this one. Let's just type something here for now. 1, 2, 3. Let's give them a class. Control S. We have 1, 2, 3, but every single of them are a block element, so every single of these div tags are in one line for them. Maybe we have to create a second class name for them as well, like 1, 2, 3, and we can say the class 1 is in a width and a height, like for now 100 pixel width, and the height is, I don't know, like 200 pixel. And let's give it a color in order to see it. Background color black for now. Control S. Let's check it. It doesn't show anything. Why it doesn't show a background color for the first div tag? Maybe this class name makes some problem. Let's just say it's the class 1. Class 1, yes. So the problem was this naming of classes. So I'm going to remove every single grid item class. Let's give these two a width and height and background. I'll just copy it and paste it. This one should have a bigger width, like 400 pixel, and for now let's give it 100 height, and a color of, I don't know, green. Okay, we have it. And class 3, we have still the same, but the color will change to, I don't know, yellow. Okay, for now. So we are going to play with the size of every element, but the problem right now we have to engage with is this first div tag, or the tag with one class. Suppose it should be a non-block element, like inline. So can we say display inline? Let's check the result. It's getting too much. I think we have to say maybe inline block, I don't know, or inline flex. Nope. Inline block. Let's see how it works. Nope. I spent about 30 minutes. It's better for me for now that I have to go and check back my notes again and read them. So I think tomorrow I can come back with more knowledge about grid, because I already spent time in order to learn grid, but because it's about, I don't know, 2 months ago, I forgot it. But I'm pretty sure with just a little bit of reading again these notes, I will remember all of the codes again. So this is not a big deal. I just need to again read these notes. Okay guys, we are going to continue fixing this problem tomorrow. Thank you for watching.